Hi, I'm Cody Walker with Display Devices, and today I'm going to show you our outdoor kiosk. This is an interactive kiosk with a 65-inch LCD monitor designed for outdoor spaces, for advertising, wayfinding, used in areas and industries such as education, transportation, and public spaces in general. This comes with an integrated air conditioning unit, custom designed and built to fit neatly inside the kiosk. Um, we provide all levels of customization, including backlit graphics, custom paint, um, features such as emergency call buttons, security cameras, selfie cameras. And what else? We offer our kiosks in several designs and sizes. We can do anywhere from a 47 to a 75, but if you have sizes that you're interested, please let us know. We design, engineer, and build in-house. We also offer installation and structural engineering services as needed. If you'd like to learn more about these kiosks or any of our other products, you can find us on our website at displaydevices.com.